We're going to take a quick look at the first of 3 long-running reports that we have within SanityCheck. These long-running reports can be found on the Reports option on the left-hand navigation. They're called long-running reports because if you've got a large site with thousands and thousands of URLs, it can take quite a while for these reports to finish executing. What's good news is you'll get an email once these reports are finished running, so you can then come back and view the results. To request a content quality report, all we need to do is put a sitemap URL in here and click Run Report. The theory behind the content quality report is if you have lots of pages on a site that are thin content or poor quality or old content, this could hurt your site with regards to Google and the search results. Google doesn't like thin content or poor quality content, and it can also be a waste of your crawl budget if you've got lots of pages on your site that you don't really need to be crawled anymore because they don't appear in the search results. Now, you could manually go and review each URL on your site to see whether it's thin content or poor quality content, but this could take a long time on a big site. So we've built this content quality report to speed up the process for you. What we're going to do is we're going to check the impressions and clicks for each URL. So if we click on this report that's already finished running, we're going to see that pages or URLs within a sitemap that have a low number of impressions and clicks, we're going to infer, this is over the last 90 days as well, we're going to infer that these URLs are low quality. So we can go and check them out and we can see even pages that have a low number of impressions, not just 0 and 0 clicks or a low number of clicks, we could infer these are still poor quality as well. It's all relative to your site and how many impressions and clicks your site gets overall. But once we found the URLs that we consider to be low quality, we've got 4 choices. We can delete the URL. We could look at improving the content on there. We could redirect the URL to another, perhaps more relevant page, or we could no index it. Now, if we're going to no index it, one thing we want to do is remove the URL from the sitemap as well.